Now, I was looking at this and I said, man, it works well, but sometimes you really want to be able to see the property. You want to see something physical in there. So what I did was each property and each contact, I'm going to go into one of these. We now have a new tab in the property section. You have to be in the property category. It's not a listing thing. It's not a transaction or project thing. At least not yet. I may do some project things allowing you to set up the photos in there. But in the properties area, we now have this new tab called Photo Manager. And the Photo Manager allows you to put in a hero. It's a common term, a hero photo. It's the main photo. It's the hero of all the photos that's in there. You want to kind of highlight it. And whenever you go and you add, you can click on the add photo area. And actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to, just for grins here, I'm going to go out just because I can grab something really quick. I'm going to go out to Zillow and I'm going to grab a photo. Now you can click on the button here to upload a photo. So you can just go in and select a photo from your computer, upload it. It would upload it to SAM, and then it would give you the URL that goes along with it. What I'm going to do real quickly here is I'm going to find a photo of, let me just grab one here. Copy image address. I'm going to grab a photo from Zillow just as an example, and I'm going to paste it into that external URL. By doing that, it will show a little picture, a preview of it. I can come in here and choose what type of photo is it, and you can set up these. By default, it's only going to have hero and it's going to have other. Okay. You can come into the little pencil and you can add in all the other types of photos that you may want: bathroom photos, bedroom photos, driveway, entryway, all the different things that you may want to use in your system. Once you've got those in there, then and maybe you just want other, maybe it's not a big deal to you, but you can kind of classify them as far as what type of photo is it, and then using that URL, it puts that preview in there. If you chose the wrong one or whatever, you click on the delete image and it'll remove it. You can put in a different one, no big deal. But here we have a photo. Now, a photo's great. It's, a photo's worth 1,000 words, but what if you could create those words very quickly and easily? Down here at the bottom, you can click on the describe image button. It will take that photo, it will analyze it, it'll look at what it is, and then it will build out a title for you, and it will build out what the photo is. In this case, an inviting living room bathed in the natural light of features expansive. It goes through and makes a very nice description of that room for you. I can click on save and add another, and it will give me it'll save that image. It will give me the preview of the previous photo that I just did. And let me grab yet another one here. Maybe copy image address. I'm just going to grab another one here. I'll paste it in. As soon as I paste it in, it gets rid of that other one. And here we've got a living room with a fireplace. Let's just have it describe it for us as well. It looks at that image. It identifies what's in it. Bright, spacious living and dining room. Warm, modern fireplace. It goes through and does an amazing job. That AI really analyzes what that photo is, what it looks like, and does some great stuff. In this case, it's not a bathroom, but it's an interior, or maybe, I could go in there and say living room or whatever. And I'm just going to click on save. So now by having these in here, I can go through and I can just kind of look at each one of the photos, look at what they what they have in them. The hero will always show up in the property screen up here in the upper right corner for you. If it's there, if it's not there, it'll close that up. You won't see that preview at all. It has to be the hero that's going to show right here. So that's all available. Now, whenever I go back to my list here, I can use this little camera option up here, show hero images, and it will show all the different properties and their hero images that go along with it. If there is no hero, it'll close it up. It won't show that image at all. So you don't have to have a hero in there, but if there is one, it will show it. The advantage here is, I can see what property it is. I can see what it looks like. I can quickly identify it. Up here at the top is the search capabilities. So if there's some kind of address or name of a property that you want, like memory, if I just start typing memory, it will filter out anything that doesn't match the search criteria. So you can quickly find things very easily. Clear that out, it'll show them again. And whenever I look at this, maybe like here is memory lane. Again, these photos I just kind of ripped off from some sites. They're not the actual property photo or anything like that, but just as demonstration of things.